SQL Server 2025 introduces stronger encryption by default, reducing the risk of data breaches. This enhancement ensures sensitive data isn't stored or transmitted in plain text, a critical improvement for regulated industries. By integrating encryption into the default setup, SQL Server 2025 minimizes misconfiguration risks. This proactive approach significantly lowers the chances of data exposure due to oversight. SQL Server 2025 enhances credential and secret handling, isolating them from database operations. This reduces exposure during runtime, crucial for environments with multiple teams. By minimizing shared secrets, SQL Server 2025 decreases potential blast radius scenarios. This improvement is vital for maintaining security in complex operational environments. SQL Server 2025 offers actionable auditing features, highlighting meaningful security events. This helps security teams detect misuse and suspicious behavior without sifting through massive logs. Aligning with Zero Trust principles, SQL Server 2025 treats every access attempt as a validation point. This ensures robust security in hybrid and cloud-connected environments. SQL Server 2025 simplifies compliance with standards like HIPAA and GDPR. Its consistent security features across on-premises and hybrid environments ease the compliance burden. To learn more about new features of SQL Server 2025, visit csharpcorner.com.